In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer crypto from exchange to Ledger Nano X. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you want to transfer any crypto asset from exchange to your Ledger Nano X, you can follow the instructions in this video to get it done. For this video, I chose to use the Binance Exchange wallet as an example. However, any other service will work for this, and you will be able to follow the general steps that I show here. So, on Binance, you have to go over to your wallets and find the withdrawal option when you choose a specific asset that you would like to transfer. Like I mentioned, the process is generally the same if you are using another exchange, so just look for the withdrawal option. When you choose withdraw, you have to select Send via Crypto Network. This will allow you to input a wallet address that you can acquire by using Ledger Live. So when you choose Send via Crypto Network, you will have to input the address from your ledger, which I'm still going to teach you how to acquire, and then the amount, and finally, the funding wallet that you want to use. So where you will be sending the assets from. You will see how much you have available, how much you are going to receive, and the fees that might be included. Now, if you still need to acquire this address here, like I mentioned, to do this, you have to use Ledger Live. You can download Ledger Live for PC or mobile. For this video, I'm going to showcase this with the desktop version, so available for PC, but you can follow along and create a new wallet to manage if you are on mobile. For PC, you have to connect your ledger to your PC using a cable, and once it has been plugged into your PC, update the firmware and into the app catalog under My Ledger, make sure that you have the necessary apps. So look for a specific one depending on the asset that you want to transfer, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and so on. With this done, you can now create your account. So go over to the accounts page at the left, and you will find the option to add a new account at the top right corner of the screen. Now you can browse through various different assets. Choose the specific one that you are going to be transferring over, and once the account has been created by following the instructions on screen, just choose Receive at the left. You will once again be able to confirm the account that you created here in the first step, confirm it within the actual physical device, so follow the instructions in there, and finally you can receive. So the address will be displayed here. All that you have to do is copy this address, double check to see if the asset is correct, then you can copy it and then input it into Binance or any other exchange wallet. Make sure that you choose between an address or a QR code, whatever you prefer. Both are going to work. And once this is done, you just follow the instructions on the physical device to confirm. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer crypto from exchange to Ledger Nano X. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.